welcome back to my channel again. I want to say thank you for all the subscribers. I want to say thank you for everybody that have watched my videos previously. I can express how I feel about that. I just want to say thank you, and again, if you're here for the first time, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel so you will get valuable insight on how to grow online, how to grow your business, and basically make money online using digital products, every other thing that I teach on this channel, so you can grow with me. All right, so but today we're talking about SEO because SEO have evolved a lot, it has changed a lot, and you need to know what is working in 2025 and beyond so you can up your game and be able to get your website, your pages to rank on the first page of Google or your favorite search engines and get those quality clicks, quality traffic flowing to your website. This is what this video is all about, so make sure you grab your notebook, okay, and I will walk you through what SEO is, how it works, and what you need to do to get your website to rank. Okay, let's break it down. Let's take it step by step. Let's understand first of all what SEO is all about. SEO is search engine optimization. Basically, that's what SEO stands for. It's everything you do on your website to get Google or other search engines to index and rank your website or your pages, so that when people go to Google or go to any of these search engines and search for anything that is related to your website, you will be able to be shown to that people or those people, and they will click on your website and visit your website. So that's what SEO is. The game right now is basically making sure you're creating content that help your users, okay, not just creating content, but content that truly helps your user to solve a problem or learn about a particular topic. That's one thing you need to know, one thing you need to understand about SEO. And then making your website technically sound. When we say technically sound, we're talking about the core vitals, making sure everything is collapsing correctly, the content and it's loading fast, and every other link is working, every other image is working, everything is just doing where it's working well on mobile versions and any other desktop or any other device. Those are what we consider technically sound website. So make sure that is part of the game, and then make sure you build authority within your niche. I can't emphasize on this enough. Building authority within your niche is making sure you have a say. You are this dominant power within your niche, that when people search, you appear everywhere. You are everywhere to be found on social media and search engines. So gain that authority and you will be fine. So these are the basics. These things matter, and you need to understand the basics before we can jump into what really matters. So that's SEO for you. That's search engine optimization for you. Now we are going into looking at what really gets you up there. Okay, so this is number 2 in the video. The section number 2 is about how you do keyword research, because the tools we used to use, the tools that were popular, have also changed a lot and has evolved. With AI now, everything making sure things are done with AI has also upped the game, and you need to know what is happening. You need to know what AI will like, or what AI can be able to do with your content, and how AI will influence your ranking. All right, so this is why you need to understand how to do proper keyword research, okay, and the type of keywords you're going to include in your content or on your website, whether you have them at the right places or in the right places. It's also what we're going to talk about here. So we are going to look at let's say, for example, instead of using just single keywords, we use what we call topic clusters. So you are not just focusing on single keywords, you're looking at topic clusters, and you're looking at search intent. How many people are searching for those keywords? How many people search for those keywords in the past 3 months, in the past 1 month, and possibly how many people will search for that particular keyword? You look at these trends and said, okay, the search intent on this particular keyword is great, it has been consistent, and you can definitely be able to get good traffic with this particular keyword. keyword. And it's not just using like best laptops, but you have to cluster multiple keywords here. You have like best laptops, you can use budget laptops, you can use something like laptops guide, and how to choose a laptop, all that. You cluster all that within your content instead of focusing on one keyword or just one or two keywords. All right, then what you need to understand is then use tools like Google keyword planner, especially if you are running Google ads. This is the best tool you can use to get the right search intent on every particular keyword that you need to run your ads, or also have within your website as regards to SEO as well. Now there are great tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush. These tools have been, for me, the best, the most important as far as SEO is concerned, and they have done massive, I would say, done great job with AI recently. So they collect massive amount of data across the internet, and they know what is working in every niche. They know who is ranking on what they have done exactly. So they give you these insights. All right, so you need to understand how to use these tools to do proper keyword research. Find keywords that will truly have that impact on your website, on your content, and get it to rank. You will be able to understand what your competitors are doing. You will be able to understand which keywords your competitors are using to rank, and you can be able to use that. You will see how they write their content, how they create their content, the type of content they are creating, where they have their keywords. And the great thing is that these tools will analyze your content and tell you how you can be able to improve your content and get quality traffic, or get traffic just like your competitors, which is very important. People also ask, if you search on Google and you go down at the end of that search result, this is the questions people are asking. You will find that within the first paragraph of the search results, you will see the kind of questions people are asking. And if you go down at the end, you will see some keywords, possibly what people are asking. Take those, include those in your own content, answer those questions. That way you will be helping people answer those questions, and when they come back and search, you will be able to appear, or Google or other search engines will be able to show your website within their first page. All right, so number 3 in this section is basically what you do on page. All right, so here is what you're going to do on your website to get search engines to know what your content is all about, what your website is all about, what you're selling, and what you are offering. Now, as I told you, you get these keywords. All right, now you distribute these keywords and you put these keywords where they need to be, where these keywords actually need to be, and I will tell you where your keywords should be. Okay, so the title of that particular post, if it is a blog post, or if you are just writing on this on a page, the title must include your website. All right, and then you need to have a great engagement, and you need to write an engaging meta description. So meta description is that 160 characters that you write and describe what that content is all about. You need to write that in a way when people see that, or that appears in search engines, they will be motivated to click on your website or click on that link and visit your website. So don't forget that. Make sure you write engaging meta description, and then make sure your keyword is distributed in the H1, the H2, and the H3. So heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 also have your keywords, and that is not just done because you just want to add those keywords, but you have to distribute them naturally so that search engines, we truly know that this content is valuable and is naturally written. It's not as if you're just trying to choke or spam and just have number 1 keyword, number 2 keyword on these headings. Just distribute them naturally, so these platforms will understand that you write this content and you're writing them great and it's naturally written. All right, and make sure you have internal links within your content. So internal links are basically you linking to other pages within the same niche, within the same topic on your website. Okay, this helps increase authority. When I was talking about authority, it gives your website those backlinks, but they're within your website, which is why they're called internal links. All right, so make sure you do internal link. Don't leave your pages open like upfront pages. We call them upfront pages. If they are not linking to any external page or internal pages on your website, they will be considered upfront pages, and that is not good for your SEO, and you need to work on that. Let me say this: do not forget to add images, and you can add some shorts, videos, and you can add graphics, infographics within your content. And make sure you add alternative text in case of images and infographics. Do not forget, this is very important. This definitely help get your website or those pages in a higher space. So the more information, great information you offer or give here is going to help you. Google also rank images, so people may be able to find you through just images as well, or infographics, and that will also help people to distribute your content. So make sure you have images, you have videos, you have infographics if you can within your content. And do not forget co-writers. When I talk about co-writers, I'm talking about the speed of your website, how fast those pages load, and interactivity, and also stability, and basically making sure your website is displaying correctly on all the devices. Do not forget that. That is very, very important. Now we talk about off-page SEO, and off-page SEO is very important whether you like it or not. Backlinks are still the backbone of SEO, okay? But you have to make sure you are getting quality backlinks, not just backlinks, okay? Because you can get spammy backlinks that will hurt your ranking. One quality backlink may be better than 50 spammy or bad backlinks, and one quality backlink will help you rank more than having 100 bad backlinks. So make sure those backlinks are coming from niche relevant website that have great reputation, and this will definitely help you rank as well. So it's not just backlinks, but quality backlinks. You can do this by writing guest blog posts and submitting them to those websites. You just have to reach out to them and ask them if you can submit a great blog post, right? And then they will be able to link back to you. Sometimes people pay for it. I'm not recommending that, but you have the choice to make here. You need quality backlinks, and this is definitely going to help you grow. So you decide, but make sure you get quality backlinks. All right. And then we have collaborating with other creators, and not just backlinks, but it could be influencers that can just help share your content. All of that is going to impact how you grow. So what you do off page and help promote your website to get it to rank, get more engagement on your website. Search engines are definitely going to see that people are interacting with your content, which means your content is valuable, and that will help you rank as well. So do not forget, off-page SEO is very important and will always be important. All right, now we're talking about the technical part of SEO right here. And when I mean technical part of SEO, I'm talking about making sure, as I just mentioned, one, your website is mobile friendly and works very well on all mobile devices, okay? And you have a sitemap submitted to our Search Console, Google Search Console. Do not forget to have your sitemap, your robot.txt file, and make sure all of that are submitted through your Search Console. And make sure you do a technical analysis regularly to make sure if there are broken links or broken images, whatever is broken on your website is fixed, so that Google will be able to crawl and index your website properly and be able to show it in search engines as supposed. All right, anything that is broken on your website, make sure you are consistently checking and fixing all of that. And then structured data, which is also called the schema data. Schema you need to also make sure you have structured data on your website so that people and Google or search engines will be able to read and understand what your content is all about easily, and will be able to help you rank. So whether you like it or not, content is still the king. Okay, so if you truly want to rank and you have all the power you need to consistently create content, quality content, when I mean content, quality content that is going to help people rank, and Google considers it. Okay, it is basically EEAT is basically a framework of what Google considered experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. So they want people who are trustworthy. They want people who are experts in their fields to write this content. And you can do this by having great bios, written about who you are, your expertise, so that Google will understand that this is coming from an experienced person, someone who is in charge here, who knows what they are writing about. And that is definitely going to help them rank that content and make sure you are getting that quality traffic. So Google have changed. It's not just anyone. They want to see any content from anyone, but they want to see it from experts. So make sure you write your bio in a way Google we understand that you are an expert and we help you rank. So at the end of this, I will tell you this one thing that is very important is checking consistently, making sure you are measuring what is happening, you are evaluating what is happening, you are looking at the keywords that are ranking, you are looking at what is not working and how you can consistently improve. And if you need to write more content on a particular topic, or just remove some content that are holding you back, or fixing what is wrong on your website, all of this matters. So you are measuring, you are evaluating what is happening, and you are improving consistently, and make sure you stay that way. This is the only way you can be able to have consistent growth as regards to SEO. So do not forget, this part is very important as well. So there you have it. This is just the basic and the guide, and what, as I said, you need to know, and what you need to do to get your website ranked in search engines. All right, so this is the basics. We make more advanced videos around SEO. I will teach you how you can add robot.txt file. I will teach you how you can create the schema data. I will teach you how you can make sure your website is indexed, and how you can integrate that with search engine or search consoles, and also Google Analytics, so you collect data and see what is working over time with your website and improve your ranking overall on search engines, and get that quality traffic flowing to your website. And trust me, if you do these things right, you'll be getting a lot of traffic without paying for it, and also help grow online easily. Now, if you like this video, you consider this valuable, do me a favor, like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to this channel, so that when I upload those technical videos, you will learn more and be able to do more and grow online with me. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you're still watching and you're still here, I appreciate you. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of these videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video.